brought a large map representing the sea without the least vestige of land, and the crew were much pleased when they found it to be a map they could all understand. What's the good of Mercators, North Poles and Equators, tropic zones and meridian lines? So the bellman would cry, and the crew would reply, they are merely conventional signs. Other maps are such shapes, with their islands and capes, but we've got our brave captain to thank. So the crew would protest that he's brought us the best, a perfect and absolute blank. We actually made a map of the country on the scale of a mile to the mile. Have you used it much? I inquired. It has never been spread out yet, said Mynheer. The farmers objected. They said it would cover the whole country and shut out the sunlight. So we now use the country itself as its own map, and I assure you it does nearly as well. I contacted a company in England called Maps in Minutes to purchase their collection of map projections, a projection being any method of representing the surface of a sphere, in this case planet Earth, on a flat plane. The company is run by Bob and Sue Harrington. I spoke to Sue on the phone and she would shout questions to Bob from time to time, presumably on the computer. She told me that the Gale orthographic projection, an equal area projection, meaning all areas have the correct sizes relative to each other, which she described as looking like clothes left out to dry too long, is preferred by charities. She assumed I was Asian because I wanted some options with Asia at the centre. The Mercator was the preferred map projection for nautical purposes because of its ability to represent lines of constant true direction while being rectangular and easy to fold, but also inflates the sizes of regions, richer countries by and large, as they gain distance from the equator. Africa is 14 times the size of Greenland. To flatten is to unfold, to project, to distort, to veil under surface, to surveil, to undercover cop, to reduce to codified signs, to lower complexity, nature to natural resources, people to citizens to populations, to divide the political and the social, to skin, to define, to quantify, to target an audience, to atomize, to iron out creases, to lessen friction and seams, to cloak and thin costume, to draw a map, to represent, to make a list.